Tardigrades, often called water bears, are virtually indestructible, surviving in the most extreme conditions that would obliterate any other life form. These microscopic marvels can withstand temperatures from boiling to near absolute zero, endure radiation levels thousands of times higher than what would kill a human, and even survive the vacuum of space. When faced with desiccation or lack of food, they enter a cryptobiotic state, suspending their metabolism for years, only to spring back to life when conditions improve. Scientists have even revived tardigrades after being frozen for decades. Their secret lies in a unique protein that shields their DNA from damage, making them a subject of intense study for future space travel and biotechnology advancements. Imagine a creature so resilient it could potentially outlive humanity itself, unlocking secrets of survival that could transform our understanding of life's possibilities.